Hey, what's up, guys? Let me close this door. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So this video is going to be for my Nissan and Infiniti owners. I'm in my 7th gen Nissan Maxima with navigation. And pretty much, you know how you get like maintenance? This pretty much goes to any Nissan and Infiniti vehicles that has this style radio, whether it's just a color screen or with navigation. If you have these button layouts, it pretty much applies to you. So let me just put the car on. So, like I said, I'm demonstrating this in my 7th gen Nissan Maxima. But most Nissans and Infinitis with the style radio will be pretty much the same. So, you know, like on the Nissan Maxima, if you... Oh, let me put the ACC on. So, you know, if you go through this, you got a little screen right here. If you keep going through the different things, you see you got maintenance. So, go through that, press on that. And then you got for engine oil filter, and so on. But when you reset that, you're not resetting it also on the radio. So even though you reset it on this little screen, your radio doesn't know that because you didn't reset it on the radio too. So you'll be getting the dialog boxes saying, hey, your engine oil or your tires, yada, yada, yada. So to reset it on your radio too, if you didn't already know that, you want to press on info. Then you see maintenance. Press on maintenance. And then here you go. So you got engine oil filter, tire, other reminder. So obviously if you change your oil, you changing the filter too. So of course you're going to be resetting these two. You ain't just going to drain your oil and then refill your car. Well, actually, in today's generation, there probably is somebody that does that. But yeah, if you change your oil, you change your filter too. So you're going to be resetting those. So on my oil, I got it set to 2,500 miles. So you could increase this by pressing the plus, or you could decrease it on depending on how often you want to change your oil and stuff. And then you can set reminders on and off. And then you hit reset distance once you hit that mark. I've only done 157 miles since I did an oil change. So same thing. You could add or subtract, set reminders, reset distance. Doesn't matter. I barely did any mileage. Tires, I got set for 3,000 miles. That way I could rotate the tires. So same thing. Well, yeah, it's already keeping track. I'm going to keep that on. Other reminders, I'm not entirely sure what other reminders would indicate. And it doesn't give you any options. It just says 12,000. Pretty much goes up to 18,000 miles. So this screen, I don't really know what this is for. If you do know, just let me know in the comments. Or share what this particular other reminder is for exactly in the comments. That way other people will know. Because that's basically what this channel is about. Helping each other out, saving each other money, and solving problems. So hit back. So if you didn't know that, now you know, like on the 7th gen Nissan Maxima, you got to reset it here. And then you also got to reset it here. I'm not sure entirely why you got to reset it on two different screens. I feel like if you reset it on one, it should automatically reset on the other, but that's not the case. So if you never knew that, now you do. So that's it for this video. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.